Hi everyone, today our group Basic Dragon we will promote our apps which called Self-Drive. Today our group will talking about 6 topics. The first one is target SDG, the second one is overview of the project, the third one is the tech stack, and then the fourth one is live demo, and then the fifth one is the impact, and the last one we will talking about the user feedback. Now we are talking about target SDG of our apps Self-Drive. Our app Self-Drive is tackled with 4 SDG. The first one SDG is SDG 3, which is good health and well-being. The second one is SDG 5, is gender equality, and then the third one is SDG 9, is industry, innovation and infrastructure. And the last one is SDG 11, is sustainable cities and communities. We're talking about the overview of the project. So why we want to develop this app? Because we found that outdoor running is a great for health, but it exposes people to unpredictable risks like medical emergencies, poor visibility or security threats. And then we also found that the existing apps, they are tracked for pace like Strava. So our app actually mainly is tracked for safety. In a crisis, every second counts. Runner needs a proactive solution that works instantly, even mobile data. Now we are talking about tech stack, where we will talking about what Google technology that we will apply in our apps. So the first one we will apply Google Gemini 2.5 Flash in pre-run AI scanner. The second one we also use Firebase for secure authentication, login patch, as well as the real-time cloud firestore. And then the third one we also use Google Maps for one-tap SOS location deep linking, and the last one we use Flutter for high-performance cross-platform UI. Now let's watch live demo.
First, we ensure runner data security through Firebase authentication. A quick login grants access to a personalized safety dashboard where all the pre-run checklist, runner scratch pad, as well as the SOS button broadcast list, and the run history are securely synced to the cloud. Next, our pre-run AI scanner. I will input dark and raining. Instantly, Gemini will analyze my live context and tell me exactly what to watch out for. Fast, smart, and localized safety tips before I start running. Once we click the start run, our tracking engine will take over. We use a 0.5 meter filter to save battery and stop GPS drift, so that the apps only will update when you actually move. This gives you a high precision without overheating your phone as well. When we finish run, we just click finish run, and then it will have a AI which will analyze what to do next and advise you after run. In an emergency, just hit the SOS button. The apps will immediately broadcast your live location via SMS. It also logs your coordinates to our secure cloud for responders. It's a fast, reliable, and works even when data is low. Besides that, you can also add a phone number to your broadcast list. For example, so it will contact when we press the SOS button, and this SOS button actually can be found when we start the run as well. So when we running, we meet some emergency cases, so we can just press SOS button and its function is the same. Finally, if a runner completely loses cellular connection in the forest, our 100% offline first medical manual ensures critical protocols are instantly accessible from the device memory. Built with Flutter, Firebase, and Gemini, Self-Drive brings the gap between tracking performance and saving your life. Besides that, we also have a pre-run checklist which will upload all the information to the cloud as well.
So user can upload their essential gear as well as take an important note. For our impact, we focus on measurable safety. First, our 1 meter precision directly reduces search and rescue times. Second, our 2-second AI acts as a preventative measure for millions of night runners. Third, our real-time cloud black box guarantees zero data losing during critical accidents. And our final 100% offline survival first aid protocols remain fully accessible in zero signal zones. To validate our real-world impact, we deploy a rapid feedback loop to 33 local runners by using Google Forms. As you can see in the bar chart below, our core features the Gemini AI scanner, the one-tap SOS, and the offline manual received overwhelming positive ratings for effectiveness. But we didn't just look for praise. The qualitative feedback on the top right serves as our exact future roadmap. Their request for a dedicated smart emergency mode and weather API integration show us exactly how to scale Self-Drive into a complete user-driven ecosystem. That's all for our team Basic Dragon. Thank you.